Well, it's Monday. This is what we're going to start with this week. So basically, got this, I guess, undisclosed location, and all the parking lot waters ran off and overran this drain because the pond, which is that thing over there, kind of messed up, not allowing it to flow out properly, and so it backs up, overruns the curb, and it over years has washed out all this, and then it goes down into the creek. So we're going to rebuild all this up, get all this packed in. Got dirt coming in today, and we'll get some videos as it goes, and then we'll get this part stabilized, and then we'll start working on the pond, saying that we can make some magic over there. So it's going to be probably a couple parts to this video, but we'll get it going. Alright, so I had planned on making more videos today, but today has been one action-packed thing after another. But all in all, so there's the existing pipe, and then we ended up putting this new pipe in, which is right there beside the shovel. Put that pipe in, we had to dig all this out. Pipe comes out here, so basically you got the pond, which we'll clean out next week or so. So it starts off at the storm drain coming there, that's all undermined, comes through the ground, comes out the first pipe there, loops around, goes into the second pipe, and then we are gonna spill out into the creek. Gotta get some rock there. Couldn't really tell from the first video, but this was almost inaccessible. Basically, we built a road down in here to get down in here. We got the dump trucks coming in through here. Tomorrow, we're gonna work on this baby, and we will hopefully get some videos. Kind of a man short and not enough hands to be videotaping and trying to make magic happen. So that's current update. And it's hot. It's actually hotter than hot. Like whatever hot is, this is a step past that. So be back tomorrow. Alright guys, this is completion of what I'm going to call part A of this. So we got everything built up, got everything shaped in, we got everything covered, got rock on top, everything down to where the pipes come into the pond, and then obviously it goes through the bank and then down there, and I don't even feel like walking down there. But got this, got the rock over here for the spillway. It ain't even the spillway, just we got the inlet pipe and the outlet pipe right there next to each other. I just got them rocks right there to kind of divert the water around for now. The game plan is let the center of this little pond dry up, and then we're gonna go in there and muck that thing out, and then I'll pull the rocks back, kind of have a consistent fade to it. So, but it's been a lot to do in 2 days. We got rain coming, but we got the parking lot cleaned off, got everything sitting to the side. So, who's grading for you?